Hello, good evening everyone. So again we are connected here to discuss about Nifty technical levels. So first of all I want to share all with that what we had discussed yesterday. So we had discussed yesterday the market trend is sideways, buy on dip, sell on rise का strategy we had discussed in details. This was right. This is for the day. This is for the day and this was the yesterday we had discussed. So we consider these levels in case of these market openings trend. So as we know that market is open today, if I would say previous day closing near previous day closing. So market open flat today basically. So then I can show you here. Just hold on. 30 November वाला future, this one. Okay. So I do apply 15-minute chart over here. So this is the 8th November chart. So this is the first candle. So market remaining in consolidation period overall. So overall, when the market is in consolidation period, the best strategy would be when the Nifty gains 100 point near 100 point from day low, then we can do sell over here. I do apply this strategy only when the market is consolidation period. What is the strategy? The strategy is sell near previous day high, buy near previous day low, and you will gain the 30-40 points in the Nifty definitely if you do this way your trading strategy if you go through. So overall I would say market is remaining still up, if I would say 200 EMA के ऊपर काम कर रहा है. और अगर मैं if I talk about 50 EMA 26 EMA, market is closing near about, market just testing it. So again I am expecting this way from the next level to downside, right? And definitely market will again test this 200 EMA level. I'll show you in coming days, definitely. This is my promise to you. So now, as of now, FII data 1712 करोड़ का कैश सेगमेंट में सेलिंग. Overall, there is nothing a big moment today, right? Market was near about, I can say, the lazy pattern did follow the market. And ये देखिए पिछले दिन का हाई 19,524, आज 19,526, पिछले दिन का लो 19,467, आज का लो 471. सो इट इज़ अराउंड बिटवीन प्रीवियस डे हाई एंड लो. आज वॉल्यूम 15% राइज हुए, ओपन इंटरेस्ट 3.25% राइज हुआ स्लाइटली, ठीक है, बट यहाँ से इतना कुछ निकल के नहीं आ रहा है. सो अगेन आई एम अप्लाइंग द स्ट्रेटजी दी sell near previous day high and buy near previous day low. So the my level, considerable level accordingly to the technical indicators, accordingly to the volume open interest indicators. So we are considering here the same level for the tomorrow trading session as well, 10th of November 2023. So there is no big change due to the big festival season of Diwali. So volumes are basically not meeting their I would say the capacity of the Indian market basically, ठीक है. अगर डेली का वॉल्यूम जो है, इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ओवर हेयर, अगर 50 लाख लॉट, 75 लाख लॉट या 1 करोड़ लॉट में डेली काम हो रहा था, एवरेजली अगर आप देखेंगे तो 60 लाख के आसपास का काम हो रहा था, तो अभी 40-42 लाख पे अटका हुआ है. तो यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम्स काफ़ी डिक्रीज़ हुए हैं पिछले कुछ दिनों में अगर हम देखें, राइट. सो द रीज़न ओनली कि बिजनेसमैन जो है वो पूरा का पूरा अभी फेस्टिवल सीजन में लगा हुआ है. एनीवेज, सो कहीं ना कहीं मार्केट पार्टिसिपेशन तो कम होता ही है, इसमें कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. So this is the strategy for tomorrow and these are the levels we can follow for the tomorrow trading session. इफ मार्केट ओपन गैप डाउन 19,535 हायर साइड, 19,420 डाउन साइड, गैप अप खुलता है 19,535 19,435, फ्लैट खुलता है 19,540 420. So this is all about today. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep watching my videos, and if you are carrying any kind of position, any kind of segments, then please connect to me. Feel free to connect to me, and I'll definitely try to provide the solution if you are position going in mega loss. So thank you so much again. Have a great day. Thank you so much.